In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files from Google Drive. Whether you're using Google Drive for work, school, or personal use, knowing how to efficiently download files is a handy skill. So let's dive right in and explore this easy, step-by-step process. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you typically use. Once you have your browser open, navigate over to drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account, as you need access to your Drive to download files. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and enter your login credentials. Now that you're on the Drive homepage, you'll see a list of all your files and folders. Look for the specific file you want to download. You might need to scroll through your Drive or use the search bar at the top to locate it quickly. Once you've found your file, click on it to select it. But what if you have multiple files to download? No worries. You can select multiple files by holding down the Command key if you're on a Mac, or the Control key if you're on Windows, while clicking on each file you want to include. This feature is super convenient if you need to download several documents, images, or other files at once. With your file or files selected, you have two options for downloading. The first option involves right-clicking on one of the selected files. A context menu will pop up, and from there you can choose Download. This method is straightforward and works well for single and multiple file selections. Alternatively, if you prefer using the menu at the top, look for the Actions menu. In this menu, you'll find a download icon. This icon typically looks like a downward arrow pointing to a horizontal line, symbolizing a download action. Clicking this icon will initiate the download of your selected files. Downloading files from Google Drive is typically a quick process, depending on your internet speed and the file size. Your files will be saved to your computer's default download location, which is usually the Downloads folder. If you need to change the location, you can adjust your browser settings accordingly. And that's it, you've successfully downloaded files from Google Drive. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to go through these steps a few times until you feel comfortable. Once you get the hang of it, downloading files will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps. Happy downloading, and see you in the next video.